What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download your statements or reports for any transactions or any account in your Wise app. So once you're inside the Wise account guys, you want to go ahead and click your profile on the upper left hand side. Then you want to click in statements and reports. Now you want to click in statements. Now from here, the first thing you want to do is select the jar, and basically the jar is the account. So you can simply tap on the plus there, select the account. So let's say I want to do this, for example, this Bangladesh one, and I can go ahead and choose the period. So the period is basically the start and the end date. So you can choose if you want to do it for the beginning of, let's say, the beginning of January. Tap on OK. Then I can choose select the period that I want to end, and I can choose, for example, today, which is the 11th of March. You can choose a file format that can be an Excel, CSV, or a PDF. You can leave it as a PDF for now. You can choose if you want the display of transaction to be with fees shown separately. It's really up to you. You can tap on that and then go ahead and tap on download. Once you do that, you might need to just enter your password or your fingerprint, and you will see immediately it downloads the file, and you can open the file and you can view that. As you can see, I received the file and I can quickly view that statement. As you can see here, shows full details there. For the purpose of security, I'm blurring out these details. Basically shows those different transfers, and it shows you when, and you can see the fees and the amounts and all those good stuff. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple. So if you ever in need of your statements in Wise, this is how you can easily find them, and you can download those statements. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.